Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of spending a fortune on skincare products that just don't work? What if I told you that flawless, glowing skin is just a few natural ingredients away? Today, I'm sharing 5 must-try natural remedies for flawless skin that you can easily make at home. These remedies are affordable, effective, and perfect for all skin types. So, if you're ready to transform your skin and get that natural glow up without emptying your wallet, keep watching. Let's kick things off with a classic combo that smells good enough to eat. We're talking honey and cinnamon, you guys. This mask is one of my all-time favorites. Honey is a natural humectant, drawing moisture from the air and locking it into your skin. Say goodbye to dryness and hello to that dewy, hydrated look. Cinnamon boosts blood circulation, giving your skin that healthy, radiant glow. Plus, it has powerful antibacterial properties that help fight off acne-causing bacteria. To make this mask, mix 1 tablespoon of raw, organic honey with half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Apply this luxurious mixture to your face, avoiding the delicate eye area, and leave it on for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, rinse off the mask with lukewarm water and gently pat your skin dry. Trust me, you'll be amazed by how soft, hydrated, and radiant your skin looks and feels. Next up, we have a dynamic duo that will calm, soothe, and brighten your skin. Aloe vera and turmeric. Aloe vera is a true miracle worker, instantly soothing and hydrating even the most sensitive skin. If you've ever had a sunburn, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory, reducing redness, calming breakouts, and evening out your skin tone. To create this soothing and brightening gel, mix 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel with a pinch of turmeric powder. Apply this mixture to your face and neck, and let it work its magic for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, rinse off the mask with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. You'll be amazed by how calm, hydrated, and radiant your skin looks. Get ready to say hello to baby soft skin with this amazing oatmeal and yogurt scrub. This is a gentle yet effective exfoliating treatment. Oatmeal has soothing and anti-inflammatory properties, making it perfect for sensitive skin. Plus, it gently exfoliates away dead skin cells, revealing brighter, smoother skin underneath. Yogurt contains lactic acid, a natural alpha-hydroxy acid, AHA, that gently exfoliates, brightens, and tightens your skin. To make this scrub, blend half a cup of rolled oats into a fine powder. Then, mix the oat powder with 2 tablespoons of plain, unsweetened yogurt. Gently massage this scrub onto your face and neck in circular motions for a minute or 2. Then, rinse off the scrub with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. Enjoy your smooth, radiant skin. Let's talk about the power of green tea. This isn't just a delicious and healthy drink, it's also an incredible toner for your skin. Green tea is packed with antioxidants that fight free radicals. It protects your skin from environmental damage, reduces redness, calms inflammation, and evens out your skin tone. Making your own green tea toner is incredibly simple. Just brew a cup of green tea, let it cool completely, then pour it into a clean spray bottle. You can store this in the refrigerator for up to a week. After cleansing your face morning and night, spritz this refreshing toner all over your face and neck. Let it air dry, or gently pat it into your skin. Use it throughout the day as a pick-me-up for your skin. We can't forget about our lips. This simple coconut oil and sugar lip scrub will gently exfoliate away dry, flaky skin, leaving your lips feeling incredibly soft and smooth. Coconut oil is a natural moisturizer that works wonders on your lips. It's deeply hydrating and helps to lock in moisture, preventing dryness and chapping. Sugar is a gentle exfoliator that will buff away all those dry, flaky bits. To make this scrub, combine 1 tablespoon of organic virgin coconut oil with 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar in a small bowl. Mix it well until you get a nice, scrubby consistency. Gently massage this scrub onto your lips in circular motions for a minute or 2. Then, rinse off the scrub with lukewarm water and gently pat your lips dry. Finish off with your favorite lip balm to lock in all that moisture and keep your lips feeling soft and kissable. And there you have it. 5 must-try natural remedies for flawless skin. These remedies are easy, affordable, and perfect for anyone looking to achieve glowing, healthy skin without breaking the bank. Remember, true beauty starts from within, and by nourishing your body with natural ingredients, you're enhancing your outer glow and overall well-being. If you try any of these remedies, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your results. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips and natural skincare hacks. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.